Lord Ma Su, the Prime Minister distinctly said not to set up camp on the mountain.
We'd be mad to ignore such a great vantage point. I'm heading straight for the summit. It's important to adjust one's strategy to the situation. Zhuge Liang will understand.
My lord, your point is understood. However, I'm starting to get a very bad feeling about this battle.
We'll head for the summit and crash their camp from above.
Although the summit does have its advantages, this formation leaves us vulnerable from two directions. I'll go seize control of the center. Master Ma Chao and Shu Forces, prepare to meet the enemy on the road.
It's about time I faced a worthy opponent.
I fight in the name of justice!
I shall show no mercy. I won't be denied next time.
I fight in the name of justice!
What fantastic idiocy! They've taken the bait! Now, collapse the bridge and isolate Ma Su!
There's still time to run away.
What's that? We've been cut off? So this is why the Prime Minister had warned me. Such impressive skill!
Now, hit me with everything you got!
I will not forget this.
I fight in the name of justice!
I must retreat. For now.
I fight in the name of justice! You're alone? You must long for death!
In the name of justice!
I won't lose a second time. I fight in the name of justice!
Looks like I better stop messing around.
The enemy has stopped our advance along the road!
Retreat is an acceptable strategy.
I fight in the name of justice!
I shall show no mercy.
Such impressive skill!
I won't be denied next time.
I fight in the name of justice!
Time to readjust our strategy. Lay waste to Shu's main camp.
Rescue Master Ma Su or defend the camp. This choice will affect the whole lay of the battle.
What do you think you're doing?
Such impressive skill!
Come back and try again later!
I fight in the name of justice! Whew. This direction is safe from attack now. The end is near!
We've lost the foot. No need to worry. We'll simply take it back again. If they won't come to us, then we'll take the fight to them.
I won't lose a second time. I fight in the name of justice.
Kept a better eye on me.
In the name of justice. Farewell.
Retreat is an acceptable strategy.
I fight in the name of justice.
It is difficult to fight such untrained savages.
I fight in the name of justice.
You were overconfident, Sima Yi. Withdraw from the summit. We'll take some time to regroup.
There's not a moment to lose. Prepare to attack.
Try and take the base! Stop them! The enemy's near! Turn this battle into a thing of beauty! I must go and work on my delivery.
I fight in the name of justice.
Let's show them what we can do.
Are made of.
Such impressive skill.
My quest
In the
for
name of
strength
justice.
will have to wait.
I fight in the name of justice.
So, Liu Bei has tamed the savages of Xiliang, has he?
Silence! My spear has grown stronger under Liu Bei. Allow me to give you a taste of what I mean.
You cannot run. You cannot hide. Accept your fate.
In the name of justice!
I still have much to accomplish.
I fight in the name of justice!
We managed to successfully defend Jie Ting. I'll admit I had my doubts about Lord Ma Su's strategy in the beginning, though. Well, I am glad that I was able to live up to the Prime Minister's expectations. Jie Ting is an important victory for us in the battle against Wei. It will no doubt serve as a guide for Shu on the path toward Chang'an.
A new bodyguard has come to act in your service. This bodyguard is known throughout the land for remarkable intellect